8 Wastages of Lean Manufacturing.
Lean aims to maximize customer value by eliminating waste through continuous improvement. The first step to building a culture of continuous improvement is for everyone in the organization to learn to see the 8 common forms of waste that surround them. Once people recognize these wastes, they can apply their skills and knowledge to eliminate them. The acronym DOWNTIME can help you remember the 8 wastes. Defects that result in rework or scrap. Overproduction, production that is made before it's needed. Waiting for materials, equipment, people, or information. Not utilizing employees, not utilizing people's knowledge, skills, and talent. Transportation, unnecessary transporting of products between processes. Inventory, holding too much product or stock. Motion waste, unnecessary bending, stretching, walking, and lifting. Excessive processing, producing items to a higher standard than the customer requires, or performing process steps that add no value.